All right guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working on the Viper. We're gonna take it apart, see the damage, see what we need to order. You know, hopefully there's no surprises. But let's get to it, we're gonna get to it. Also, we're doing a giveaway, guys.
Yeah, for sure, stay tuned. At the end of this video, comment Viper for a chance to win. Make sure you subscribe and follow us along, share it, that'd be great. We appreciate it. All right, let's see what's under there.
Let's get this thing up in the air and let's check it out. Oh no. That's not good. So here we have it. We got the car on the lift, we got the wheels off, and unfortunately we found more damage. It looks like the right rear is bent too. Look at that.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, but the lip is good. So if we can find a set of these wheels, we could probably just take this lip, put it on this barrel, and then we have one good wheel. And maybe order another one. We just have to find out if we can. We're gonna definitely do some research before we buy another set of wheels. But we were thinking, since it is SEMA coming up in about 50 days, 55 days, we were thinking, could we build this thing by SEMA?
Oh, yeah.
Have like a little challenge to ourselves. So we got the board right here. There's a lot to do with this car. So there's frame damage. We actually found some frame damage. Then we gotta paint it, assemble it. You know, there's a lot to do. And I think there's about 54 days left. So can we do it? We're gonna challenge ourselves to get it done, because we actually have to get it a little bit done earlier than that, because we still gotta get it delivered all the way from here to there. So let's say we have 50 days left. So there's a lot to do. We actually found a little bit of damage underneath. So it does have frame damage. So we're gonna take all this apart, take the radiator condensers out. Looks like the radiator support or
Power
steering cooler is broken. We have to do that. But it looks like all the suspension's good. It just needs to be adjusted. I don't see anything bent. So when we get a set of wheels, we'll put on a lima rack and adjust it all. Should be no problem whatsoever. But we gotta make sure, we are low on radiator fluid, so we're gonna see where that's leaking from.
Yeah,
Condenser we'll check. And keep looking for parts. But I'm gonna go ahead and take all this apart and try to find the leak. And hopefully it's simple. But let's get to it. Looks like the AC condenser is good. Pulled the AC out of it, so I'm gonna take that off right now. And we'll see why the radiator is leaking. Let's get to it. Alright, so I started it and heated it up. It's hot. I don't see nothing leaking. And this was from me. I just disconnect and take the fan out. But everything looks good. I don't know why it was completely empty. Alright, let's take this radiator out. Okay, so here we have it. We got the radiators out. You guys can see this is what the radiators sit on, and this side's bent. So that is considered frame damage because it's part of the frame, so you have to pull that back. But other than that, everything else looks really good. We're gonna have to fix this piece, get another piece of that. ABS pump looks fine. So we're getting a lot of progress done. Unfortunately, we got to order all these parts before we'll put it back together, and probably fix the wheels before we put on the frame machine. And so we got this wheel with the bad lip. These are 3-piece. So I already took this tire off. So you can see the bend right there, that's really bad. So I'm gonna try to unbolt it and put this lip onto that wheel. And if that works, then we could probably order new barrels and new lips for the other one. So let's try that. Let's take this apart and try that face on it. Okay, so I actually took the wheel off, as you guys can see, but I can't get this part out because of this, so I'm gonna have to cut the wheel off a little bit, the lip, just to get this centerpiece off. Other than that, look at that. Came apart no problem. Well, let's work on it. Alright, so that took a lot more work than I thought. I actually had to cut him in 2. But we got it off, looks good. We're still gonna power coat the wheels or paint them or something, so I'll be fine. But now it's this side. This should be a lot easier. This should just run a bolt no problem, and bolt it up to that one. So let's take this one apart. Okay, so finally, took all those bolts out. This one comes out really nice. So we're gonna use this hub. I'm gonna put this spacer on it. And this guy back on. Look at that. And then we're just gonna put a couple bolts in for now. And hopefully we can order new drums and lips, get some measurements off, and look for some companies that do it. Alright, let's put the bolts on. Okay, so I put some of the bolts in. You gotta put it together. Looks really good. One wheel down, and let's do some research. We're gonna try to find some new barrels. So I don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal. Hopefully we'll find something. But then we got the bumper. Let's strip the bumper down, and we actually have a bumper repair guy. We're gonna try to give this to him and see if he can repair it. There's a little, just this side. So it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So let's take it apart, take the taillights out, any little brackets off for him, and let's go drop it off.
Alright guys, so we got a lot done. We've seen what the damage is going on. We got the coolant off. We know that the wheels are busted. We gotta get new wheels before we put in the frame machine, so we're gonna get that on order. So we'll get that on the frame machine, fix this little side up here. But honestly, it's not that bad. I think we'll get it fixed pretty soon, right, Evan?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely get it done. So
By that SEMA bill thing, we'll see.
all right, so let's go in the office and let's pick our giveaway winners.
Let's do it. All right, guys, we're back inside. You know what time it is? Time to find our winners. We have 3 winners today. So we have 394 comments. Let's see who the first winner is. 3, 2, 1. Jerio Sapien, I guess. It has Bro Viper. Sorry if I butchered your name, my bad. But hey, you won. Let's find our second winner. 3, 2, 1. Nice Viper. All right, Slick, the average guy. Nice. Viper. All right. Well, we would love to do some collabs with Tarash or Beast Rebuild. That'd be great. I mean, shoot, if you know them, let them know we're game. All right, and our final
last
winner.
one. Let's see. What else, Michael? Are we doing a giveaway on this time?
We are, definitely. So make sure you comment Viper in the bottom. Let us know what we're doing. If you can find us some more parts, that'd be great. I mean, we're trying to get things together. I think we're finding most of the stuff, right? It's coming.
Yeah.
Get this thing on the road in no time. All right, Chris. Love the color combo on the Viper. It's gonna look sweet. I honestly like it too. It's grown on me. At first I was like, this is a little strange, but I really like the red inside the rims. You know, it matches that red little stripe too.
Which we're probably gonna get rid of.
No, I like it, Ivan. I really like it. It's grown on me. The black, yellow look, a little red pinstripe. All right, Chris, you want to go ahead and email us, you guys. Let us know information, and we'll send over to a Viper plaque with Nico Brothers on it. Stay tuned. Until next time.